Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video in my FBA journey. So it's been a couple of weeks actually since my last one, which was updating you guys saying my hazmat review had been cleared after over 2 months. So what's happened since then? So I've launched my social media account. I've built out a funnel for an ebook to get people onto early access, and I've just been really focusing on building up social. So let's talk about that. First, I created my Instagram and my Facebook page. In the course, oh, by the way, guys, if you're not in Johnny's course, if like you're thinking about learning it and you're looking at all these YouTube videos and it's really confusing, guys, please, like, I urge you, click the first link in the description and get the course that I did by Johnny Bradley. Like, I couldn't recommend it more. I wouldn't have it down there if I didn't believe in it. Anyway, so that's up to you. If you want to go and get that course and learn, then that's up to you. Anyway, in there he teaches about social media and about the launch plan. So a really in-depth product launch strategy. 1 out of 4 factors is social media. So I set it up. I create my Facebook page. He teaches how to run ads. So I ran an ad for about £10 and got 700 Facebook page likes. So building up credibility for the brand. So when people see the Facebook page, they know that, oh, he has 700 Facebook page likes, he must be credible. So I did that, and then I launched the Instagram, and I went into my niche, searched the main hashtags and downloaded the top content, and I've been recycling and resharing all the top content from my niche to build up my Instagram. It's been really slow, I have to admit. However, it's a longer term play. So for when people do buy from from Amazon, and they head over to the Instagram, then again it just helps them get into my loop of my brand. So I did that. The Instagram is growing, I mean, like I said, very slowly. It's not even at 100 followers right now. However, this is kind of where the funnel comes in. I'm actually going to make another video about the funnel I made. Not using ClickFunnels yet though, I'm not on ClickFunnels. And I've kind of used the ebook, or used both platforms rather, for the ebook funnel. So again, I'll make another video about it. So really, my latest update is that's another thing, I've been working on all of the back end. So I did keyword research, I've tried to perfect my titles, descriptions and bullets the best I can. For keyword research, I used I can't remember what it was, not called Keyword Inspector. There was another one. It's like $15 for a month, just for the UK, and it helped loads. So I did that, and then I made 4 ebooks. So one of them is literally going to be just leads to upsell. Another one is going to be a bonus that no one will know about, and then 2 I'm going to advertise as a bundle ebook for the product. So I've made 4 ebooks, really high standard. I'm so happy with it. That go hand in hand with my product. And then there is the update on production. So if you've been following along, you'll know my product is in production now, and I'm mainly waiting on the bundle item. Well, I spoke to the supplier this morning and he said they should be ready to ship to my main supplier around the 8th of October, which is next week or a few weeks. And when they get to my main supplier, they're going to bundle them all up and ship them to Amazon. So in October is when I should have my product launch, and I'm so excited. So that is an update on me, guys. Thanks very much for those of you who are reaching out, asking me questions, following along with my journey. Again, I just want the best for your journey, because you're watching me because you're interested in FBA, right? So I just truly believe that if you are learning and this is kind of confusing watching all the videos, get Johnny's course below. You're probably already considering it, you've probably already seen the links, right? So if you need any one-to-one support once you've got his course through my link, then I'm here. And again, I'm almost at the stage where I've got my product launched to Amazon. I've got my product to Amazon, so I can help with everything behind that stage. So hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to go through the funnel video later on, and I'll upload that a few days after this one. So I'll see you then. Thanks so much, guys.